Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have a quick one, and this one is how to install the Among Us game. And of course, if you do not know, Among Us is all the rage. So if of course you haven't checked it out, this is also a good suggestion to check out this app for yourselves. Alright, so it's a great game to play. You can check out tutorials online and so on. Alright, so in case you want to learn how to install Among Us on your Android device, the process is quite simple. First of all, make sure you're connected to the internet, and of course you're going to go to Google Play Store. Once you're in Google Play Store, you're going to use the search option, and of course you're going to search for Among Us, and it should come up in the suggestion Among Us. There you go. You're going to hit install, and of course the process, as you're seeing here on screen, it's just installing. Just give it some time. Another suggestion, if it's not showing up in the Play Store directly, you can actually go to Google search. So go ahead and launch Google search. Once you're at Google, go ahead and search Among Us. And it install, and of course you're going to look for the Google Play link. And as you see here guys, if you tap on the Google Play link, you'll find that you can actually set it here to install. So you can hit install. It will ask for your device. You can go ahead and choose as your device your Android device from the list, and of course once you go back to the Play Store, you'll be able to download it. So that's two options to install Among Us. The other option as well would be to search for the Among Us APK, and of course you'd search Among Us and change that to APK. The APK file is the installer file. There's a number of sites. I'm not recommending any of these sites. They're here. You can choose which one works for you. I've used before APK Pure. You'd have to come here. You'd have to download. Remember, this is a third-party site. I'm not affiliated, so of course it's up to you if you want to use this site. But remember, you should only use a trusted source for APK files. You're going to hit download. It's 69 megabytes. Once it installs, you're going to go ahead and tap and install the APK file. That one bypasses the Play Store. Alright, so once you install, the Among Us should be there, so you can go ahead and launch. As you can see here, this one is from the trusted source of the Google Play Store. There you go. Notice it's asking you for customization. You can go ahead and accept, and you'll see general announcements and so on. All of these, you'll have the options here as you can see on screen. You can choose local play, online. You can read the auto free to play option. Alright, so Among Us is a great game. Do check that out for yourself. Ricardo Garden for Blog Tech Tips. Saying bye until next time. Bye.